Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome. Today I will be making a seafood crab boil using Zatarain. Now this is an experimental seafood boil because I usually steam my crabs and use my Old Bay seasoning because you know I'm from the East Coast. So let's see what ingredients we're going to need for this recipe. I have 2.5 pounds of frozen snow crab clusters. I have about 2.5 to 3 pounds of frozen large shrimps. I have 2 boxes of Zatarain crab boil in a bag that I have never used before and that I have chosen for my experiment. I have 2 Reynolds oven bags. I have 1 medium onion that doesn't want to be on camera. I have 1 bag of petite red potatoes. Some green onions. I have some sweet fresh corn on the cob. And I have 2 large juicy lemons. I'm starting off by placing the shrimps and the crabs in 2 separate bowls. I am also adding some lemon juice to both bowls. Now I'm going to fill up both bowls with some cool running water. Then I'm going to add a few squeezed slices of one of my lemons and I'm going to allow them to soak until they are defrosted. I have a few other ingredients which include some seasoning salt, some cayenne pepper, some garlic and onion powder, 3 boiled eggs, some chopped onion and chopped green onions. I cut my lemons and I also have a few garlic cloves. I have thoroughly cleaned and rinsed both crabs and shrimps as well as my potatoes and my corn. I have also lined 2 clean bowls with my Reynolds oven bags. Since I'm making 2 bags of seafood crab boil, I'm going to evenly add the crabs and the shrimps to both bowls. For my next step, I'm evenly adding my pieces of lemon to both bags of seafood. Next is my corn on the cob that I have split in halves. I'm adding my chopped onion to both bowls. As well as my chopped green onions. Now I'm ready to add my petite red potatoes and I'm going to add them whole to both bowls. Now it's time for the seasoning and spices. I'm adding 1 bag of Zatarain crab boil to each bowl. Next, I'm lightly sprinkling some salt as directed, as well as my onion powder and my garlic powder. I'm lightly sprinkling the top with some paprika, and I'm also adding a few pieces of butter. I'm adding about 2.5 cups to 3 cups of water to each bowl to make sure that my potatoes are fully cooked. I am preheating my oven at 375. For my last step, I'm going to seal both bags and make sure that I place them in a baking dish. I'm just twisting my bags into a tight knot since it didn't come with a tie. I'm going to bake both bags for about 55 minutes. In the last 5 minutes, I'm going to remove them from the heat and add 2 eggs in one bag and 1 egg in the other and continue baking.
Oh Lord Jesus. What's going on here?
With what?
What are we making here?
Your butter. Your garlic butter.
The butter sauce there. Oh my God.
You got your eggs in there.
I can smell it upstairs.
I should add some paprika to it. Add your extra salt. I'm taking mine out of the plastic though.
How long yours got? Look at her, y'all. We had a little mishap with the bag because we didn't. I did this late at night. It's only got 1 box of bags. But
Double
now
your
I
bag.
remember. Yeah, you double the bag. The box only came with 2 bags. So I should have bought 2 boxes, but I wasn't thinking. But these bags are really not durable, if you ask me, because these are turkey bags. I don't know what turkey you're supposed to be cooking in this thing. That can't hold no turkey, and that was name brand. That was Reynolds.
She barely.
So yeah, she's making that sauce there. Just garlic and butter.
Nothing too fancy.
Y'all, the boils are done. They're done. They are done. Look at that.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.